5 lies that you were told about dark circles. Did you know that home remedies don't really cure dark circles? If you're watching this video, I can bet you have tried a remedy but have still been left with those dreaded shadows. But all is not lost. I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kour, a skin doctor with wide experience in treating skin and hair conditions which include many patients with dark circles. All I can tell you that dark circles can be removed, just not with these 5 common lies. Lie number 1. I get enough sleep, I won't get dark circles. While it's true that ample rest can help reduce the appearance of dark circles, it is by no means a cure. This is because dark circles are caused by a variety of factors including stress, genetics, and even weight loss. So while I recommend that you get your beauty sleep, all the sleep in the world may not replace the loss in volume under the eyes that causes these under-eye circles. Lie number 2. Surgery is my only option for removing dark circles permanently. After many failed attempts, it is common for people to assume that the surgical procedure is the only option. This couldn't be further from the truth. Under-eye hollowness, sunken eyes, is caused by volume loss of skin tissues under the eyes. That's why non-surgical treatment options like dermal filler injections provide an effective and safe way to treat any hollowness or wrinkles under the eye area. They work by restoring the lost volume under the skin, plumping up the sunken areas, and restoring contour beneath the eyes. Lie number 3. Home remedies can remove dark circles. Now this is controversial. I say this is a lie because the home remedies can only get you so far. They'll make you feel better after application, but that will last only 10 minutes. Always remember that the key to removing dark circles is understanding the cause. For example, if the dark circles are a result of pigmentation, then a chemical peel or microneedling treatment can help. Lie number 4. Reducing salt in my diet can help. While a salty diet does contribute in fluid retention and may help reduce the appearance of dark circles, so it may logically follow that reducing salt should work. Unfortunately, this doesn't help as dark circles appear due to foundation loss and not fluid retention. Lie number 5. Only aging causes dark circles. The under-eye skin is one of the thinnest and most delicate areas of skin in human body, so circles form easily. However, aging is just one of the causes. Even in your early 20s, you may develop these from anywhere between dehydration to lack of sleep to stress to genetics. So now, after hearing these lies, you may be wondering, does something actually work? Yes, and there are many options. Starting with number 1, skin lightening creams. Topical creams containing retinoids and skin lightening agents like kojic acid, vitamin C, peptides helps reduce the pigment in your dark circles, which helps reduce the appearance effectively. Number 2, chemical peels. They remove the uppermost layer of skin, which decreases the pigmentation while inducing collagen production. That helps you get rid of dark circles. The effectiveness depends on the type and strength of the peel. Number 3, lasers. It blasts away the pigment in your skin, which again helps improve the collagen production. That removes the fine lines around your eyes. Number 4, dermal fillers and botox. For people who have dark circles from volume loss and have the lines around the eyes, this is the best solution. Fillers can replace the lost volume, botox can relax the lines around the eyes, giving you a refreshed look. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about dark circles, make sure to leave your comments below. And let me know if you'd like me to cover another skin concern. Thank you.